Freeway control. It's not going to pick me up, is it? It never does. Waiting here for nothing. Like some sort of plebeian. I wonder if my super bright light will do anything. Probably not. To wait here for eternity until a car arrives. Oh my god. Do you reckon they heard me? These mirrors cost a whopping £9, and I don't know what I was expecting for £9, but I still can't see anything out of them. I got them smoked blue, tinted smoked blue, because I thought, you know, that'll be easier to see headlights in or something, and it looks cooler. Boy, was I wrong. Also, they seem to be like magnified. I can't see like a great deal behind me. Anyway, they were £9. What were you expecting, sir? Oh, yellow car. I'm the ultimate champion of yellow car. I'm going. With a lot of you. You can stay there. Da 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 da. Right. It stinks of cow manure. There it is. There's the culprit. Gross. It's not my gusset, I promise. Is this thing still on? Wow, look at that. It's like that scene in Star Wars, apart from there needs to be another sun. I looked at that for way too long. Now there's some orange ore burnt into my retina. I've got the heated grips on. I say heated grips, plural. Only one of them works, the left side. Excuse me. There is a gulf up my arse, but I can't tell, is it up my arse? Because these fucking mirrors seem to magnify everything. I shouldn't swear, naughty naughty, PG friendly. I have to keep rubbing my lower lip on the microphone. I've just installed the DJI Mic Mini in Arctic White. So I'm hoping the audio quality is top notch. But I've got a little, like, dead cat, is that what they're called? And I have to keep rubbing my lower lip on it to make sure it's still there. I've got the little magnet that's come with it, which is pretty good to be fair. Just underneath the chin mesh that's on this shark helmet, and I'm praying to all the moto gods that it stays there. I do not want to lose it. Let's go before that massive screw fix lorry comes our way. Oh my god, a Ford. That's cool. Right, here we go. Visor down. Audio test. Come on, Mr. Bonneville. I'm going. I've had enough. I wonder what the exhaust note's going to sound like with this microphone. As me blabbering on about my dulcet tones, I hope the exhaust sounds alright. It's, like I said, currently in my helmet though, so I'll be amazed if it picks up the exhaust note as well. See ya. Do 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 do. Yellow car. Told you, mate. You can't beat me at yellow car game. No one can. Unmatched, unrivaled. It's getting a bit nippy now. The sun's gone down. Are these heated grips still on? They were burning. Oh, here we go. Here the boys. Not for you. Not for you. Get in there, mush. Loves it. Loves a little nod. I remember back on the 125 days, back when I had a Yamaha MT 125, that thing was loved. But 50,000 miles on that thing in guess the time frame. Pause the video right now, guess that time frame. Comments below. 50,000 miles. How long did it take me? Do you want the answer? The answer is 2 years. 50,000 miles in 2 years on that thing. Mental. Still going strong. I say it's still going strong. It's been in the garage for 5 years now, probably. It hasn't been started. I siphoned the fuel the other day. Should have done that when I put it into storage. I'm going to try and get it up and running. My theory behind it was, when I'm like 70, 80, it's the first vehicle I ever owned. I want to still be able to have it. And hopefully it'll be like a classic then. Hopefully it'll be a classic for all the right reasons, and not because it's one of the only remaining petrol or what's the term I'm looking for? Internal combustion engines. Maybe it'll be a relic for that reason. Here's the boy. Oh, screw you then. In your parachute jacket. I don't know how it's got 50,000 miles on it, because it had a Black Widow exhaust, and when I put that on I didn't realise, maybe I put it on wrong, someone let me know, but when I put it on I couldn't access the sump to drain the oil, so it did get oil services every 3,000 miles or whatever it was, I can't remember, 6,000, but I used to tip the bike over, I used to take the dipstick out and tip the bike over as far as I could and drain it that way. I don't think I ever changed the oil filter either, so, you know, I was 17, so I know a bit more now. I'm not saying I'm some sort of genius, but I have a bit of mechanical sympathy now. Definitely. So it either proves those Yamaha engines are bulletproof on a 125, or maybe you don't need a drain plug, just take the dipstick out and lean it on its side. It says that in the owner's manual. I don't know if I'll be able to survive these gloves tomorrow morning. It might be a bit chilly. But I tell you what, the freedom compared to the winter ones, just unmatched. Maybe I should get some of those heated ones that everyone's got, but they do look quite bulky as well. We'll find out. We'll find out. Yellow car coming up. 3, 2, 1. Told you, mate. Just unmatched. No one can win against Mr.Motostache. I can't even say my name right. Mr.Motostache. That was embarrassing. I don't even know my own name. I'm going to cut it any minute. Test out the new speaking feature on this DJI Action5Pro. See if now that I've got the microphone I can actually say the phrase. I'm not going to say it in case it doesn't, but there's a phrase you can say and it does something. But before I was shouting at the thing, trying to get it to I can't really say what I was trying to get it to do without saying the phrase, so. But we'll soon find out. If you hear me say the phrase, then it hasn't worked, clearly. Right, let's say the phrase. Stop recording. Well, that's embarrassing, isn't it?